Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are lot of fine and good in your health. If you are new here, please like our channel and subscribe as well. Before continuing today, we are going to discuss about how to make money on Facebook. Nearly half the world population is on social media, and Facebook alone has over 2 billion monthly active users as of June 2017. If you are one of those wondering how to earn money from Facebook without investment, then you are on the right track because this article and this video is for you. It is easy and achievable. If you follow our steps and recommendation in this video, then you just might join the pool of those that earn money rather than only log on for social reasons. Here are the foundation to lay first. Grow number of friends. Facebook has a limit of 5,000 friends, and we recommend that you exhaust this amount. Be committed to doing this because sending and responding to 5,000 friend requests will not be easy. Create Facebook page and get a lot of likes. Creating a page is very simple and you can do it under 10 minutes. Create a group and grow your member database. The next step is for you to create a group and add as many friends as you can. Ensure that you set posts for approval before being displayed on the group. Group with good content always attract more followers. Now I will describe 8 ways you can make money on Facebook. Number 1. Drive your Facebook page traffic to blog at a cost. If you have a Facebook page or group with lot of followers, you can easily create traffic for blogs at a cost. Number 2. Start affiliate marketing. When you have many followers on your Facebook page, you can place 1 or 2 affiliate marketing links per day on the group. Affiliated marketing works in a way that you can get a percentage of the product price. Some affiliate marketing could see you as much as 50% on sale. Example of businesses to register for are eBay Commission Junction, Amazon Associate, ClickBank and SheASale. Number 3rd way out is create a simple Facebook app. You need not create a complex app to earn money. Just come up with some simple fun apps that people would use even. Number 4 mechanism is start Facebook marketing through influencing and advertisement. The more followers you have, the more business and digital marketers would reach out to you for paid adverts. All you have to do is post the product on your page and start making money. The 5th mechanism is get people to pay you for sponsor likes and share. People today are looking to get lot of likes and share on their posts or videos. You can easily help them achieve that by posting the link on your group. The more likes you can provide, the more money you earn. The 6th method is publish video on Facebook. Facebook video bears much resemblance to that of YouTube. You can create a video for your business and post on Facebook and get paid on advert sales as people watch your video. 7th mechanism, sell your personal product on Facebook. This is basic marketing. The more followers you have, the more people you can reach. You can also open a Facebook store and run it as e-commerce. The 8th method is sell your Facebook page. Although it seems odd, people grow Facebook groups and pages only to sell them to the highest bidder. You can either do this or sell off your account if all other money earning channels does not work. Now the question is, how much money can I make from Facebook? The totally dependent on your marketing strategy and other factors too. For example, pages on insurance, electronics and automobile generate more money than entertainment, but they are also more difficult to grow. Now I come to the conclusion. If you start today with due diligence and adhering to all the advice in this article and video, you can start making money from Facebook within a short time. Many have done it and are still doing it. It all depends on if you are interested or not. But once again, who is not interested in making passive income from Facebook with literally or investment? Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye guys.